Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and I'm going to call this the power of the transformation or transform tool. If you notice, I have an object that's equal, it's 6 inches. So if we go to Windows, Dockers, and transform or transformation, depending on which one you have, and if you go from the center with the positioning and your X, which is left to right, you put 6 inches and you want 20 copies, you automatically made whatever that is. Same thing if you want to turn it blue and then go and make them all blue, or if you want to do just the opposite and make the center blue, they're still, or any color you really want, let's make it yellow, and then they're still 6 inches apart, so you can fill them in like that, and then you could still have blue, or let's make it blue, and do the same thing. A lot easier than duplicating sometimes, and you can do a lot with this, and what's so good about it is not like a blend where it's together, you can break them apart. Pretty cool. So your X and Y, your X's go left and right, and your Y is going up and down, and then you can make whatever copies you want. Now, if your item is not a perfect dimension, it doesn't really matter. Let's say now it's 6.6 or 4.621, and you can still do the exact same thing. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.